Mondo maker Laura. Jack, earlier you talked about gathering stones at the beach to use. How do you identify the beach rocks? They all look like gravel to me.
To some they look like gravel, but to me they look like opportunities. You just have to look and see. So it takes time to get an eye for what it might turn out to be. So maybe you see like a red that you really like out of an ocean jasper while you're walking down the beach, or you see that glowing agate, which gets kind of hard to see unless you're kind of looking for it. Once you start looking for things, you end up finding them. It's really weird. So once you know what you're looking for, you end up seeing it where you go. But when you don't know what you're looking for, you're not seeing it. So I can see in a way where in the eyes where you don't see the opportunity yet, maybe if you're shown what those things look like in the rough, then you'll see the opportunity in them being finished. You see the rough, you see the finish, you see where they come from, and then you go look.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.